Hello everyone. So in this video, let us talk about moving a project board from one project to another project. Now let us say for some reason there is a need, or there is some scenario where you have to move a project to another project, or maybe you have to move some issues from one project to another project. And there can be different use cases. For example, let us say you have a big project to manage where you have different epics or stories or tasks or subtasks, and maybe for some reason there is a split and you need to move some of those epics and related stories to another project. You can do that. It is very, very, very simple. All you need to do, you have to, of course, first create that project, that target project. Make sure you have all the necessary configuration, like you have all the states and workflows and blah blah blah, and then move those issues. So you can do a bulk move. Now, when you do a bulk move of those issues, whenever someone because Jira will take care of the old links. So whenever you move those issues and someone clicks on the old link, because they may have the old link to that issue, Jira will redirect them to the new issue in the new project. But I would recommend that you should spend some time looking at this scenario, try to identify things that will not work, like filters and dashboards might need some reconfiguration. But at the same time, what you might also want to do is also to move the board, because let us say you're using a Scrum board or a Kanban board. Now, good thing is that the way boards work, boards have a location, so boards will always be you can always create a new board, or you can actually recreate a board with the same configuration, and you will have the same settings, or basically not the same settings, but you will basically have more or less the same thing. Basically, a board is a way to manage your issues. But what you can do is you can always change the filter, or basically the board settings. So if you go to the board settings, there is something called as a filter for that particular board. And right now it says, of course, project is equal to Android 2, which is also listed here. So you can always, so don't worry too much about the board itself. You can always move it. You can always move those issues and then maybe recreate the board, or maybe change the filter, and you should be fine, because boards work independently from the project. Boards boards have a location, but one board can have issues from multiple projects. So you can always, move your issues, and you should be fine. So just give it a try. Try to simply change the board filter. All right, that is it. That is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you learned something new. Thank you very much. Bye bye.